Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change your name in Valorant. First, go to your web browser. Here, search for Riot Games. Now click on riotgames.com. Here you'll find the Valorant game. Click to open it. Once you're in, click on Riot Games on your top left. You can also open Valorant from here. You can access different options from the dashboard. Now click on this option right next to Riot Games. After that, click on Play Free. Now select Sign In. You need to enter your username and password to continue. Then click on this arrow. Now go on your user profile from the top right. Here click on Riot ID. Enter your new ID name. Then add tab line. By clicking on Save Changes, your name will be changed. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.